unsettling gruesome murder of the persons found in Kware dump site in Mukuru-Kwanjenga in Embakasi South constituency has been arrested. Issuing the statement, DCI boss Mohammed Amin said the suspect, after interrogation, confessed to the serial killings of 42 people, with his first victim being his wife, who he strangled to death and dumped the body at the quarry in 2022. The 33-year-old is suspected to have killed the victims and wrapped the bodies in polythene bags that were retrieved in the dump site. According to Amin, several items have been recovered in his possession, including 24 SIM cards, 8 smartphones, 1 laptop, 1 hard drive, and 1 machete, which detectives believe was used to dismember the victims, and 12 sacks similar to the ones that were used to cover the bodies, among other items.
This morning, it is true, we arrested one suspect whom we found in possession of one of the handsets belonging to one of the victims, whose body was identified yesterday at the city mortuary by the relatives. So we are at this moment either treating him as an accomplice or as a witness, whichever way the investigations will take us. On interrogation, the suspect confessed to have lured, killed, and disposed 42 female bodies at the dumping site, all murdered between 2022 and as recent as last day, 11th of July, 2024. Unfortunately, and this is very sad, the suspect alleged that the first victim was his wife, namely Imelda Judith Halenya, whom he strangled to death before dismembering her body and disposing it at the same site. From our interrogation, all his victims have been murdered in the same style, like we had alluded to yesterday. Our investigations are still ongoing, and the suspect's house and the dumping site will remain active crime scenes. We call upon the families who reasonably believe that their loved ones may have fallen prey to these macabre murders, to these reprehensible acts of what I can only call a vampire, to report to our DCI headquarters or to any other DCI office or the nearest police station for that matter.
Now, President William